It's Jen Beeston. Okay, today we're going to talk about one of my most favorite things in the world. It's called home hacking. Yeah, home hacking. And here's the very cool thing about it. You could also call it house hacking. So this is what it is, because you're like, oh my God, is she going to hack my Wi-Fi? Is she doing it now? No. So here's the deal. There's a lot of millennials doing this and I love them for it. Like, they are my spirit animal because of their drive to save money. So basically what you do is you buy a multi-unit property and you get the other units to pay the bulk of your mortgage. Yay! It's called living within your means by utilizing other people, and I love it. So I'm going to give you an example here right now. Sonoma County. And what's cool about this is you don't need a ton of money down in order to do it. So one of my favorite ways to do home hacking is with FHA. So I'm going to use Sonoma County, California as an example. Now, every county is different, especially in California. In some states, it's all the same, but California, you better check your county before you get your hopes up. Okay, so if you're buying a one-unit house in Sonoma County, California, your loan limit for FHA is going to be $704,950. Okay, that's a lot of money. Now, if you're buying a 2-unit, okay, then your loan limit is $902,450. Wow! So you can actually get into a house that's $902,450 for 3.5% down. Yeah. Right? That's cool. I think it's super cool, especially when you're dealing with the multi-units, because then what you do is you live in one and you're renting out the other. Now in Sonoma County, rents are high. This is largely due to the fires, but also because it's an amazing place to live. So it's not uncommon for rents to be anywhere from $2,700 to $3,800 plus. I mean, it's going to depend on what that unit is, but that can definitely help you offset your mortgage payment. So that instead of having, this huge $900,000 mortgage, you're looking at about half of that. So it's a great way to get into a house. I love people who are taking advantage of this. I'm seeing it in San Francisco. I'm seeing it in Chico. I am seeing it everywhere. So if you're like struggling with buying a house because you're like, I don't know, like, can I actually afford this? Look at home hacking, because it's a really sweet way to get into the market, have someone else help you pay your mortgage monthly, and also have someone else help you pay, while you're building equity. So it's a great thing to look at. And just remember, like, you're not going to be tied to it forever. So I have a lot of clients that start off with buying multi-units, and they'll live there for a couple years, and then maybe they find another one, same thing. And then ultimately they buy a single family, their dream home, but they have this incredible real estate profile because they were able to utilize house hacking. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm going to have a link to an article realtor.com did about it. I'm actually quoted in the article, which I was really stoked about that. I was like, yeah. So thanks for watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas.